8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Mura ko mahayang.
Happy anniversary!
Happy Tagalog Festival! Happy 60th birthday anniversary! Thank you for being part of this year's celebration. We hope to see you again next year as we are